equipments, apparatus, instruments, glassware, chemicals which are used in chemistry lab, right? So now in this section, in today's section, we are going to cover different reference materials which are used and the safety guidelines. Okay, whatever the safety which we discussed in our previous practical like introduction, wherein I told you that we will go through some previous lessons learned, okay, previous experiences, what all accidents that had happened previously, okay, that to overcome that accident slowly and eventually the need arise to keep the safety, okay. So that safety, what is all about, what all safety gloves, what all safety goggles, okay, why we use shoes which will fully cover our legs, or what all things we are supposed to take care, that we will see, and we will see the reference materials. So since now I am in lab, I will show you some of the reference materials which are being used, okay. So this one which you can see, okay, what is this? What is the name? MIMS. What it is called as? MIMS. It is called as?
MIMS.
MIMS. MIMS का full form क्या है? It is Monthly Index of Medical Specialties. Okay, what is the full form? M stands for monthly, I stands for index, M stands for medical, and S stands for specialties. Okay, so it is Monthly Index of Medical Specialties. Okay, so what it contains? Now these are some standard materials. Now this is MIMS. Okay, now this one which you can see, what is this? पहला MIMS था, ये क्या है?
SIMS.
SIMS. Okay, now the SIMS stands for Current Index of Medical Specialties. Okay, see this one. Current Index of Medical Specialties, which is nothing but SIMS. Okay, so this is the another reference. Okay, then this one is Drug Today. Okay, then this one is which you all know. What is this?
Indian Pharmacopoeia 2008.
Yes, Indian Pharmacopoeia. Okay, it is of 2018, and this you can see, this is the third volume. So this one is the first volume, okay, IP 2018. This one is the second volume, IP 2018. This one is the fourth volume, IP 2018, okay, and this one is the third volume, IP 2018, okay. This one is third volume. So here, if you will see the part or volume 1, okay, therein in volume 1, you will find first the index, okay. Now see, you can see here, these are, see, this is volume 1, the content of volume 1, the content of volume 2, this is the content of volume 3 and content of volume 4 from the page numbers. Okay, now these are the general chapters, okay, wherein you can find there are some general notices, there are some test methods, okay. Sorry, then there are some blood related products, vaccines, herbal products, etc. Okay, then when you will move ahead, these are the general notices, मतलब कुछ definitions, categories, doses, okay, monograph का content है, तो इसमें these are the blue colored pages, these are white colored pages. So here we will directly go to one monograph, okay, any one monograph. So I will show you one monograph, one representative monograph. Say for example, we will take the monograph of, हाँ अभी ये index है देखो, okay, if this is P का कॉलम है, इसमें हम लोग से फॉर एग्जांपल अगर हम लोग पैरासिटामोल लेते हैं, ओके, नाउ दिस वन इज sorry, paracetamol. Okay, can you see paracetamol? अभी पैरासिटामोल का पेज नंबर क्या है? If you will see, this one is 2853. Okay, so now we will go to 2853. Page number 2853. Sorry. See this one. Now this is the monograph of paracetamol. Okay, then this one is the monograph of paracetamol infusion. Then this one is the monograph of paracetamol oral suspension. Okay, and this one is the monograph of paracetamol pediatric oral suspension, paracetamol pediatric syrup. Okay, then it is paracetamol tablet. Okay, then it is the combination, that is paracetamol and caffeine tablet. Okay, it means what? कौन से monograph है? पैरासिटामोल का खुद का है और पैरासिटामोल के डोसेज फॉर्म का है. तो नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड द डिफरेंस बिटवीन ऑफिशियल प्रिपरेशन एंड डोसेज फॉर्म. व्हेन वी कॉल डोसेज फॉर्म, it is just a tablet, syrup, powder, elixir, anything. And when you say, now see, this is paracetamol tablet, which is official in Indian Pharmacopoeia. So it becomes now what? It becomes what? When it is official in Indian Pharmacopoeia, it becomes what?
Official compound.
Yes, official preparation it is called as, no? Why it is called as official preparation? Since it is official in IP or any other official standard reference book. Okay. So now paracetamol, if you will see the monograph detail, okay. Do anyone know the content of monograph? क्या क्या होता है एक ड्रग के monograph में? Yes, can anyone tell me what does the monograph include? I will share the soft copy of IP with you. Okay. Now I told you that we are going to perform the identification test, right? Yes. So can you see here the heading called identification? आइडेंटिफिकेशन दिख रहा है सबको? यस.
Yes, ma'am.
So these are different identification tests which are mentioned in IP. When I will share you the soft copy, that time you will come to know this properly. Okay. So there are different identification tests which we are supposed to refer it from this Indian Pharmacopoeia, and then we are supposed to perform all these identification tests, which whether if the sample is say for example here we have considered paracetamol, if it is pure paracetamol, then it will comply all these identification tests and the results will be positive, and we can finally confirm that the given compound is this. Okay. Now see, SIMS का मैंने तुम लोगों को बोला था at the time of brand names, right? ब्रांड नेम्स के टाइम पे मैंने ये दो नाम बोले थे तुम लोगों को, सिम्स और मिम्स. यस. हेलो.
Yes, ma'am.
So these, see, you can see here, okay, this contains, now see, these are blue colored pages, okay, these are pink colored pages, these are green colored pages, okay, these are white colored, and then these are yellow colored. Okay, so I will tell you one thing. Okay, see this yellow colored, you can see different brands. Okay, this is अल्फाबेटिक ब्रांड इंडेक्स. ब्रांड इंडेक्स मतलब यहाँ पे Q से स्टार्ट होने वाले ब्रांड्स है, P से स्टार्ट होने वाले ब्रांड्स है येलो कलर के पेजेस पे. ओके, देन इफ यू विल सी द ब्लू कलर्ड इंडेक्स, ब्लू कलर के पेजेस पे, तो ये जेनेरिक इंडेक्स है. ओके, कौन से कैटेगरी के कौन से जेनेरिक प्रोडक्ट्स अवेलेबल है. ओके, देन here you will find on white colored pages, if you will take any one drug, then you will find different the uses of that particular drug. Then you will find the safety alerts of that drug. Okay, whenever you will come to college, you can refer them. Okay, you can refer once the sims and mims. Okay, now tell me any
Yes,
one
ma'am.
brand. Tell me any one brand which we have covered till now, जो हम लोग इसमें देख सकते हैं. किसी भी एक ब्रांड का नाम बताओ जो आज तक हम लोगों ने ड्रग्स पढ़े, उसमें से किसी भी एक ड्रग का ब्रांड बताओ मुझे. यस, कोई भी एक ब्रांड नेम यू कैन टेल मी. यस, हेलो, हेलो, नॉट अ सिंगल ब्रांड. यस, हेलो,
Accuratic.
यस. से फॉर एग्जाम्पल कोई सिंपल ले लो. ओके, जो सबको पता है. Yes, that is also there. और say for example, take one simple brand Crocin. अभी Crocin सबको पता है. Yes. So here C के category में if you will go, here we will find Crocin and the page number given is 228. So if you will respective page, that is page number 228, you will find the details of that brand. Okay, page number 228, I will show it to you. Okay, yes. So can you see here paracetamol? Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So this is nothing but when
Yes.
you trace back from the brand, then here they have given different brands. See how many brands are there of that of paracetamol. Okay. So when I tell you to search for different brands, so you simply now for online you go to Google and you search the brands. But the standard method, these all are whatever we have studied now. All these are standard reference materials which we are using for our drugs or reference for practicals or say for theory. Okay, so this is called as standard material. तो कौन से देखे हम लोगों ने आज, क्या क्या देखा प्रैक्टिकल में? What all
Lab
things we have?
introduction. Lab introduction.
Yes. So I will show you the material safety data sheet of any one product. Like say for bromine, I have an example. That material safety data sheet, that is MSDS. I will show you one SOP and one monograph. Okay, I will share the soft copy with you. You just go through that. Okay. Yes. 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 Hello. Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So you came to know all these things in today's practical, right? So we will just go through some of the safety guidelines which are to be followed in chemistry lab. Okay? There is an issue to the PC.